The United States has long been a powerhouse in the global auto industry, a symbol of innovation and industrial might, with Ford, General Motors, and Chrysler shaping not just cars but culture. These companies became icons of American ingenuity and lifestyle. For decades, these Detroit giants set the pace for innovation and production, making American vehicles household names worldwide. Their influence extended beyond the automotive sector, impacting everything from music to movies. But today, that dominance is fading, especially in Canada, where American automakers are rapidly losing ground. The once thriving dealerships now stand empty, a stark contrast to their former glory. This isn't just about changing tastes. It's about deeper, economic, and policy challenges. Layoffs and factory closures are becoming all too common, signaling a crisis that goes beyond mere consumer preferences. Agile competitors, especially from Japan, are capturing market share by offering better value and advanced technology. Japanese automakers like Toyota, Honda, and Nissan are not just meeting, but exceeding consumer expectations. The American auto sector now faces a rapidly changing market, where adaptation is essential for survival. Executives and engineers are scrambling to innovate, focusing on electric vehicles and automation to stay relevant. Tariffs and trade policies have only added to the pressure, highlighting the urgent need for strategic overhaul. The complexities of global trade are making it even harder for American automakers to compete. The story of American automakers is now a cautionary tale, one that demands a bold rethink of industrial strategy. The future of the industry depends on how well it can adapt to these new realities, ensuring that it remains a vital part of the global economy. The numbers tell the story. Canada's automotive landscape is undergoing a dramatic transformation, and the data reveals just how steep the decline has been for American automakers. American automakers' share of Canadian vehicle production has plunged from 56% in 2016 to just 23% by 2025. This isn't just a dip, it's a seismic shift that's reshaping the entire industry north of the border. Their share of Canadian auto assembly jobs has also dropped sharply, from 60% in 2015 to 38% in 2024. Thousands of workers have been affected, with communities built around these plants now facing uncertain futures. Recent years have seen major pullbacks, factories shuttered, production lines halted, and entire towns left grappling with the fallout. GM ended bright drop van production in Ontario, cutting over 1,000 jobs, sending shockwaves through the local economy, and leaving families searching for answers. And the Oshawa plant lost 700 more, a blow to a city that once thrived on automotive manufacturing. Stellantis and Ford have halted production for retooling, leaving plants idle and workers uncertain about when, or if, operations will resume. The ripple effects are felt far beyond the factory gates. These cuts reflect deeper issues. High costs, rising wages, and the growing expense of raw materials are squeezing profit margins and making it harder to compete. Lagging investment in new technology, outdated equipment, and inefficient supply chains have left American automakers struggling to keep pace with global competitors who are innovating faster. Tariffs have made it even harder for American brands to compete on price against Japanese and other foreign rivals, driving more Canadian buyers toward alternatives that offer better value and reliability. Canadian consumers now expect sustainability, innovation, and affordability, areas where American automakers are struggling to keep up. The demand for electric and hybrid vehicles is surging, and foreign brands are leading the charge. The decline in Canada is a warning sign for the entire industry. If these trends continue, the consequences could ripple across North America, threatening jobs, communities, and the future of American automotive manufacturing. Without a strategic reset, embracing innovation, investing in new technologies, and adapting to changing consumer demands, American automotive leadership will continue to erode, both in Canada and beyond. While American automakers falter, facing plant closures and shrinking market share, a dramatic shift is underway in the North American auto industry. Japanese brands like Honda and Toyota are not just surviving, they're thriving in Canada, expanding their presence and investing heavily in local manufacturing. Their share of Canadian vehicle production has soared from 44% in 2016 to an impressive 77% projected by 2025, reflecting a remarkable transformation in the industry landscape. Today, Japanese automakers provide over 60% of Canadian auto assembly jobs. This success is rooted in their relentless focus on quality, reliability, and continuous innovation, which has earned them the trust of both workers and consumers. Bestsellers like the Honda Civic and Toyota RAV4 have become household names, offering performance, fuel efficiency, and value that truly resonate with Canadians from coast to coast. Japanese automakers have also led the way in hybrid and electric vehicles, staying ahead of the curve on technology and sustainability. Their early investments in green technology have set new standards for the industry. Strong ties with local suppliers and deep engagement with Canadian communities have made their operations resilient, trusted, and a vital part of the national economy. Their adaptability and foresight, whether retooling assembly lines for new models or embracing advanced manufacturing techniques, have positioned them as true leaders in a rapidly evolving market. The rise of Japanese automakers in Canada is a powerful lesson in strategic vision, long-term commitment, and flawless execution, reshaping the future of the Canadian auto industry. U.S. tariffs have shaken the auto industry, hitting both American and Japanese companies. A 25% tariff on Canadian-made vehicles, introduced under the Trump administration, accelerated the decline of American automakers in Canada. These tariffs made it harder to compete on price, forcing companies to cut jobs and scale back operations. Japanese automakers also faced new tariffs, initially 25%, later reduced to 15%, but still far higher than before. The result, projected losses of over $17 billion for Japan's top automakers in 2025 alone. Toyota faces a massive financial hit, underscoring the cost of these trade policies. Instead of protecting domestic industry, tariffs have disrupted supply chains and raised costs for everyone. The lesson is clear: protectionism can backfire, and smarter trade policy is needed for long-term industry health. Japanese automakers are responding to trade pressures with strategic alliances. Nissan and Honda are exploring co-production of pickup trucks in the US to sidestep tariffs and cut costs. Toyota is expanding partnerships with Mazda and Subaru, pooling resources for research, development, and new tech. These collaborations create synergies, boost innovation, and help companies stay competitive in North America. Even Toyota, strong on its own, seeks alliances to enhance resilience. Industry consolidation and cooperation are now essential for survival and growth. For Japanese automakers, these partnerships are a forward-looking investment in a challenging market. Canada's evolving trade policies are reshaping the auto industry. A new agreement allows 49,000 Chinese electric vehicles into Canada annually, adding fresh competition for American and Japanese brands. The Canadian government is set to unveil incentives for companies that maintain or expand local production. Industry leaders are urging Ottawa to support automakers committed to Canada, especially those weathering tariff challenges. The upcoming review of the US-Mexico-Canada agreement could further alter the regulatory landscape. These changes will influence investment and operational strategies for all automakers in the region. Canada faces the challenge of supporting its auto sector while staying globally competitive. Government action now will shape which companies thrive in the years ahead. The decline of American automakers in Canada has real consequences for workers and companies. Plant closures and job cuts have disrupted communities and created uncertainty for thousands of families. The ripple effects extend to suppliers and the broader North American economy. American companies now face fierce competition from Japanese and Chinese automakers, demanding urgent innovation. Without a strategic response, more market share and jobs could be lost. The auto industry's future depends on embracing efficiency, sustainability, and new technology. Government support for R&D, retraining, and international collaboration will be crucial. The stakes are high: adapt now, or risk falling further behind. The U.S. auto industry's struggles in Canada highlight the urgent need for change. Complacency is no longer an option. American automakers must prioritize innovation, sustainability, and consumer needs. A renewed focus on electric and hybrid vehicles is essential to catch up with global leaders. Investment in R&D and partnerships with tech firms can drive the next wave of automotive innovation. Strengthening supply chains and diversifying production will build resilience against future shocks. Collaboration with Canadian and international partners can foster growth and adaptability. Policy support, like incentives for green tech and workforce development, will be key. The industry stands at a crossroads. Bold action, now, can secure a prosperous future, while inaction risks further decline.